Luke 18, verses 1 to 8. And he spoke a parable to them that they should always pray and not lose heart, saying, in a certain city there was a certain judge, not fearing Elohim nor regarding man. And a widow was in that city, and she came to him, saying, do right to me on my adversary. And he would not for a while. But afterward he said to himself, even if I do not fear Elohim nor regard man, yet because this widow troubles me, I shall do right to her, lest by her continual coming she wears me out. And the master said, hear what the unrighteous judge said? And shall not Elohim do right by all means to his own chosen ones who are crying out day and night to him and being patient over him? I say to you that he shall do right to them speedily. But when the Son of Adam comes, shall he find the belief on the earth?